speaking of feuds that should not happen, and we talked about this last week, and it's looking like it's coming through. Bray Wyatt versus The Big Show. Now, we said, what's next for Bray Wyatt? We said this months ago before we left campus as to what's going to be next for Bray Wyatt. Is he going to... I mean, after the whole feud of Cena ran its course, we didn't see Jericho coming in.
No idea what
exactly.
happened.
So that happened. That lasted a few months. Now they're looking for something for him to do. They wasted through the Cena feud way too quickly. Before he was a year into his main roster run, they did that whole thing at WrestleMania. They burned through it. He already feuded with Daniel Bryan, two of the biggest faces in the company. Already feuded with Chris Jericho, on his way out anyway. Roman Reigns is the only guy that makes sense, and both guys need wins right now, so I really don't see what purpose putting these two in a feud right now is between Bray Wyatt and Big Show. Your thoughts?
I just feel like they kind of like screwed Bray Wyatt. He was so hot, and now he's just... No one could give two shits anymore.
I think the biggest problem they have with Big Show and Bray Wyatt is exactly it with Cena and Rusev, in that I just can't see Bray Wyatt going over Big Show. When was the last time Big Show ever put someone over clean, like a straightforward, clean feud? You know what I mean? The guy never loses. And I hate the argument that the guy's an attraction in 2014. How many people do you know say, I'm going to a wrestling show today to go see the Big Show?
No one.
I don't care about John Cena, Sheriff, CM Punk, Daniel Bryan, The Shield, Dean Ambrose. People are so hot for Dean Ambrose right now. Seth Rollins, Roman Reigns. How many people do you know say, I want to go see Big Show? Nobody. Exactly.
No one's to go, wants to go say, let's go see Khali.
Exactly. He's not an attraction in 2014. Maybe even 5 years ago, if that. In 2014, Big Show is hardly ever on. He's in meaningless matches. He serves no purpose
At all.
At least Jericho is putting people over in the feuds and in the matches. Big Show is not doing any of that. It's such a waste of time. And in their match last night, and I mean, I really don't put all the blame on either Wyatt or Big Show. They just don't have chemistry. I mean, who does have Big Show chemistry with Big Show this day and age? You know what I mean?
I don't think anyone ever did anyway.
Exactly. And the matchup was just so boring. And then this is only 1 week removed from when Bray Wyatt defeated defeated Chris Jericho in a great steel cage match.
Then he gets DQ'd against the Big Show.
Exactly. And after needing help from Luke Harper and Eric Rowan.
And then they get beat up by Big Show.
After they got... And I think I use this term usually more often than not, but this is applicable to this situation in that they've been buried. They have been absolutely buried. I can't remember the last time they won a match. Luke Harper and Eric Rowan the Wyatt family as a whole is such a great act, but they've wasted it.
Been getting screwed.
Absolutely screwed these last couple of months by the hands of John Cena. Jericho really did all the best he could. I really don't blame him at all. He tried to put over the Wyatt family the best he could. He made the feud as much as he could. But even that was really to no avail up until the steel cage match.
I feel like once he lost to Cena at WrestleMania,
it was really all downhill
from
there.
Was gone. His whole year went down the tubes.
Let's recap.
He beat Daniel Bryan,
in a great match.
Then he beat the Shield at Elimination Chamber. Great match. Lose to Cena. Then his steam was dead.
Oof.
Like we knew he was gonna win Extreme Rules in the worst match ever.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Yeah, that followed that up. Yep.
And then Battleground or Payback got screwed at.
Yep, lost there.
Stupid freaking
the
Cena dumb
production
shit.
Set.
Yeah, puss ass shit.
That was terrible.
That was awful. Yep. And then Money in the Bank. He was just in the championship match. He
Complete
lost.
Afterthought. Yep.
He really didn't have any big spots, so I was there. He didn't have too much.
He did it now.
And then Jericho, he lost it at Battleground.
Yep. Not a good matchup. Yeah.
And then just won again at Raw.
Yeah.
He's only really won 2 matches that have been somewhat big in the last couple months.
Some notable relevant matches between Jericho.
And you knew once he lost at Battleground, he was going to beat Jericho at SummerSlam.
Yeah, you knew that was going to happen. And I just don't... like we said last week, I don't really blame it on both, or either Jericho or Wyatt. They tried to make the most of the feud that they could. They just weren't really given the creative reins.
They're too busy worrying about Rusev and Mark Henry.
Yeah, exactly. Complete waste of time. So I'm not really happy how they're treating the Wyatt family right now. Some people have been saying, he's going to be nothing more than a nothing guy in a couple of years. I wouldn't say that much. It's only been a few months. We'll have to wait and see where it goes.
We have to see what he goes.
I don't want to jump the gun here.
I'm not going to jump the gun, but he has enough talent to be one of the top guys, just like a Big E did. Big E had the talent to be a top guy, and where's he now? Losing to Seth Rollins in main event.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel like they just give these guys a little push, and once they get hot, they know eventually they're going to start cooling down eventually. Everyone does. Unless you're Cena.
Exactly.
He
Yeah,
never
Cena,
loses, so
exactly,
it doesn't
yeah.
matter. But just give the guy a chance. They just screw him over in the biggest matches that he has. It's just not fair for him.
And in any momentum that they have, in any brief point of momentum that they give him, like with the win over Jericho, they've ruined it the next week by having him lose to Big Show.
Buried by John Cena.
Yeah, exactly. A couple of weeks ago, yeah.
I think it was the next show after SummerSlam. The next night, that was the night they got buried.
Oh, it was, yeah. Wait, was it? Yeah, I think it was.
It was the worst Raw ever.
Oh, no, that was 8 days later.
That was 8 days later?
Yeah, it was the next night. I don't think he was even on the show. But yeah, 8 days later, literally the worst Raw of the year. That was an absolute joke of a show. Comical stuff from WWE when it comes to the Wyatt family. But here's hoping they can rectify the track. They can right their wrongs with the Wyatt family going forward.